Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, let us see how we can perform matrix multiplication for a 3 by 3 matrix. So let us say we have matrix A as equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the elements of matrix A, and if we say matrix B is another matrix and it has elements like this: 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, and 0, 0, 6. Let's say we have a matrix like this and we want to find A times B. We want to find AB, product of AB. So in this case, let's let's try to multiply these two matrices, and this is what we get. We're going to the way we want to do this is as follows. We're going to take the first row in the first matrix and then multiply it out to the first column of the second matrix, then to the second column of the second matrix, and then to the third column of the second matrix, and we will write the product in the final matrix as locations of first column, first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, like this. Let me show you what exactly I'm saying here. So in here we take 1 and then multiply first row first column to first row first column of the second matrix. 1 times 1 plus 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0. That is the location of the product matrix, which is first row first column. Then we take the first row of the first column and multiply to the second column of the second matrix, like this: 1 times 2 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 times 0. That is the location of the product on the final matrix, on the final matrix, product matrix. That will be first row second column, and then we take the first row of the first matrix and then multiply to the third column of the second matrix, like this: 1 times 3 plus 2 times 10 plus 3 times 6. And then we just exhausted the first row of the first matrix. Then we're going to go do the similar type of an operation for the second row and then for the third row as well. So let us write down the product of the second row of the first matrix with the first column, then the second column, then the third column of the second matrix. Let's do that. So it is going to be 4 times 1 plus 5 times 0 plus 6 times 0. That is the location of the location on the final matrix, and that is going to be second row first column. Then we have 4 times 2 plus 5 times 4 plus 6 times 0. That is 6 times 0. And then we have 4 times 3 plus 5 times 5 plus 6 times 6. We've exhausted the second row multiplication. Then we go to the third row and then repeat the process. We have 7 times 1 plus 8 times 0 plus 9 times 0. And then next we have 7 times 2 plus 8 times 4 plus 9 times 0. And then we have 7 times 3 plus 8 times 5 plus 9 times 6. So we have all the elements of the final matrix, and this is now just a matter of simplifying the numbers. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 0 is 0, and then 3 times 0 is 0. Then we have 1 times 2 is 2, plus 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 0 is 0. Then next we have 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 times 10 is 20, plus 3 times 6 is 18. Then next we have 1 times 4 is 4, plus 5 times 0 is 0, and 6 times 0 is 0. Then we have 4 times 2 is 8, plus 5 times 4 is 20, plus 6 times 0 is 0. Then we have 4 times 3 is 12, plus 5 times 5 is 25, plus 6 times 6 is 36. Then the last row will be 7 times 1 is 7, plus 8 times 0 is 0, plus 9 times 0 is 0. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 8 times 4 is 32, plus 9 times 0 is 0. Then 7 times 3 is 21, plus 8 times 5 is 40, and then 9 times 6 is 54. 54. Let me write this a little bit more clear. This is 54. And now we want to simplify this some more. The way to do that is as follows. 1, 2 plus 8 is 10, and then 3 plus 10 is 23. 23 plus 18 is 31. So I think this is not 31, this should be 41. 3 plus 20 plus 18 is going to be equal to 41. Okay, then 4 plus 0 is 4, then 8 plus 20 is 28, and then we have 12 plus 25 plus 36, we have that coming up as 73. Then we have 7, then we have 14 plus 32, which is equal to 46, and then we have 21 plus 40 plus 54, that adds up to 115. And this is the product of a 3 by 3 matrix. And then when we multiply a 3 by 3 matrix with another 3 by 3 matrix, the resulting matrix is also going to be a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so this is the way we want to be able to perform matrix multiplication. In my next presentation, we shall look at some more examples related to matrices.